What to do so you can really use your task management system when goals change unexpectedly and instructions become conflicting. These are 3 actionable steps you might take. Now let's take a second and focus on the second point. By the way, I don't talk about time management here because for time management what you need is time, and usually you don't have plenty of time. So let's get back to plenty of tasks and task management. Sense making. If you need to discuss with others these changing objectives or conflicting instructions, or even your overall task management, first make sense of your request. Find out by yourself or with them if you're having a problem of context, like with people involved, or a problem with content, like issues at stake. This way, with a broader picture, you can define how the other person could assist you in solving your specific problem.